Good morning, everyone. It's Marvelous Monday. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020, and I'm so glad to see you this morning. Here's your joke. How do you make a lemon drop? Let it fall. Drop. Get it? Okay, it's time for our greeting this morning, and our greeting is our silly voice greeting. So think about which silly voice you think you want to use. Are you going to be a cowboy? Are you going to be an alien? Are you going to be a baby? Are you going to be underwater? So many possibilities. So pick your voice for your greeting and greet your partners this morning in a silly voice. Good morning. All right, so our share today is about addition. So check this out. I have two addition problems, and they have an answer, but we don't know what the problem is. And there are so many possibilities when it comes to this. So let's look at the first one. Our first one, right up here at the top, blank plus blank equals 4. What two numbers can we put there? Oh, I bet you are so fast. Here are some possibilities that you could have said. You could have said 2 plus 2 equals 4. I'm going to put the other sets over here. You could have said 0 plus 4. You could have said 1 plus 3, or 3 plus 1, and 2 plus 2, which is the one we use down here. Or you could have flipped the 0 and the 4 and said 4 plus 0. And those are all the numbers that we could put together to make 4. So let's look at the next one. The next one says blank plus blank equals 6. So what numbers can make 6? Good. You guys are so fast. You could have said 1 plus 5 for this one, right? Or we could have flipped it and said 5 plus 1. I bet some of you said 3 plus 3. I bet some of you maybe even said 4 plus 2, right? And then we have the 5 and the 1. 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 1. And again, you can flip these numbers over. And some of you maybe even said 6 plus 0. So there are many numbers you can put together to make 4 and 6. That's just the way it goes. It's called a fact family. Good job. Okay, it's time for our wows and pows. Do you have a wow to share? Do you have a pow to share? Go ahead and share them with your partner. What is something that was great, maybe that happened over the weekend or even happened this morning? And is there something that wasn't so great that happened over the weekend? My wow is that I got to celebrate Mother's Day with my mom and my mother-in-law and my kids. My kids made me feel so special. And I bet you made your mom feel special too. So that is my wow. And I can't think of a pow this morning. Not yet. So hopefully I won't have one today. That would be great. All right, it's time for our activity. Our activity today is hot and cold. And you know how to play this. You and your partners get to pick. One of you gets to hide an object in the room that you're in. So remember, stay in one room. Pick an object and hide it. And then let your partner see if they can figure out where it is by you telling them if they're hot or cold as they get closer to it or farther away. And then when they find it, you can swap and you can close your eyes while they hide an object and then you try to find it. Sounds like fun. I hope you guys have a marvelous Monday and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.